In this video, I will tell you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to MetaMask. So first what you need to do is log into your Kraken account and make sure the cryptocurrency you want to send is available in your funding balance. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and copy your wallet address from the top of the screen. Also make sure you are on the correct network that supports the token you plan to withdraw. Now go back to Kraken, open the funding tab and select withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, then paste your MetaMask wallet address into the withdrawal field. Carefully check that the network you select matches the one in MetaMask. For example, use Ethereum for EH or ERC20 tokens or Binance Smart Chain for BEP20 tokens if the option is available. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click continue. Kraken may ask you to confirm the transaction using two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, Kraken will process the withdrawal, and depending on the network speed, your crypto should arrive in your MetaMask wallet within a few minutes.